Welcome back to TechTune. Today we have something truly special to unbox, the Edifier Staxspirit S3. First, let me give you a little bit of a story about this product. One of my favorite portable wired headphones some years ago was the Oppo PM3, a wired planar magnetic with a portable size. As I was wandering in a tech store some days ago, this piece grabbed my attention. A wireless planar magnetic headphone from Edifier with the name Stax on it. So, here we are today for this unboxing. Okay, let's go for it. Starting with the case, very sturdy, very luxurious case, heavy, good materials, very good case. The inner case comes out in a drawer style. I like these engravings, really nice, special, feels special. Nice material, yeah, luxurious again. Good job, Edifier, well done. Alright, let's open up to see the presentation. Alright, a bit of a sticker. Starting with the pouches, nice material, silk-like. Okay, some spare pads. Nice material, fabric-like material. Feels comfortable, feels breathable. Okay, I'm wondering how it will feel when I put them on. The other case, the other pad, yeah, nice, again, breathable, nice material, fabric-like, very good. And now the star of the show, starting with the hard case. Again, nice material, feels durable, feels sturdy, feels secure. This is what you want from this type of product. Very good. It's quite small as well for this type of headphone. Yeah, so we can see two compartments, one with the headphones, one with the cables and the documentation. One cable to use it if you want to use the headphones wired, so you have that option as well. Really good. The USB cable to charge the headphones. An adapter, nice, gold plated. What's that? That's it. Yeah, I think that's yeah, you can use it to swap or to replace the pads. Nice touch, I like it. And that's some documentation over there. And now to the centerpiece, the headphones itself, they are really good. They feel good build quality. A little bit of cracking here and there, but let's see that in the actual review. Nice leather pads. They feel really comfortable, very soft. The weight is alright. A little bit on the heavy side, but alright. Some buttons. Nice material, carbon fiber-like type of material on the caps. Yeah, really good. Some cushioning on the headband. They feel they extend nicely as well to fit different sizes. Yeah, overall they feel nice. That's it for this video. If you don't want to miss out the main event in a few days from now, the review of the Edifier Staxspirit S3, make sure that you hit that subscribe and like button. Thank you so much for joining us today. Until the next time, happy listening.